The implementation of a security solution does not mark the end of our responsibility as IT security technicians. In this video, we're going to talk about continuous monitoring of controls. Information Security Continuous Monitoring, or ISCM, is just this, where we can continuously monitor the effectiveness of security controls. It also allows for the timely response to threats that are ever changing. Threat prioritization is also possible for the proper allocation of project teams and resources. So, in the end, we're evaluating the effectiveness of security controls by constantly monitoring their effectiveness and how they are used. We might be required to do this for compliance with certain laws and regulations, which in turn might actually influence the crafting of our organizational security policies. In some cases, it might also dictate the use of compensating security controls in place of more expensive or more complex solutions. With continuous monitoring, collected data gets periodically analyzed, which allows for risk management. Risk management allows us to look at the acceptance of risk by engaging in certain business activities, or risk mitigation by using certain types of security controls, in some cases, even risk transfer, for instance, to a public cloud provider or to an insurance company. So then, a proactive risk-based approach to securing IT resources is indicative of a mature security model that has proven to be effective over time. Real-time monitoring is possible with systems including Security Information and Event Management Systems, otherwise called SIEM. Information sources for continuous monitoring come from a multitude of places, including log files, which could be for network devices, servers, client devices, applications, and so on. We can also take a look at vulnerability scan results as an information source for continuous monitoring of our controls, because this will point out any vulnerabilities that we need to address. So it also lends itself to threat prioritization. Audit findings are a valuable goldmine of information. For instance, if we're being audited by a third party that doesn't know anything about our system and has no interest specifically other than conducting an audit, then we can use that to learn about weaknesses and then make changes to security controls. People are also another information source, people that notice suspicious activity, whether it's physical or on the network. And of course, we can take a look at existing business processes to determine if we need to make changes to further harden our environment.